remember how Srila Prabhupada would hear the feats of certain mystic yogis and babas who could perform so-called miracles by producing a rasagula or a sweetmeat or a sandesh or some kind of wristwatch for his devotees. This was called a miracle. Many followers came, poured money, and begged the mystic yogi for a blessing so their business would prosper. And so Srila Prabhupada would say how you should tell them the real miracle is how from 40 rupees, 400 million rupees of international preaching has been achieved. How from nothing, how so many devotees have been enlivened. Have these people changed one person's heart? Srila Prabhupada, he has moved the hearts of countless people. So here we see the dedication that Srila Prabhupada had. Actually, Srila Prabhupada tried to cooperate in different ways with his god brothers, but they were busy in their own affairs. They were not so fortunate as our ISKCON movement, which is so tightly knit. There had been dissension between some. But in spite of being all alone, Srila Prabhupada never felt himself alone because he had his spiritual master in Krishna, his order. He didn't leave a stone unturned. It's not that Srila Prabhupada went off on his own. Actually, there are so many instances where he asked to be sent as the representative of the Gaudiya mission, where he tried to work hand in hand with the Gaudiya mission, but theirs was not the same mood of preaching that Srila Prabhupada had learned from his spiritual master. And they were all broken into factions. There was no cooperation. Bhaktisiddhanta had ordered that there should be a governing body commission, and all the disciples should surrender to it to keep the mission together, 64 temples. But they didn't obey him. So, Prabhupada, after many, many years, he was faced with the grim future that all my god brothers who he considered in his humility, they are so much senior to me, but they have not yet done anything. So although I am insignificant, anyway, I must try to do. Other god brothers have gone to Europe, they have gone to England, but they have not done anything. So America is the richest nation. So let me go to America, where no one has yet tried. Let me shoot the rhinoceros. At the age of 69, 70, that is no small feat. Aboard an Indian cargo vessel, without any money. Srila Prabhupada said that had any of my disciples had to go under those conditions, they would not have been able to maintain their Krishna consciousness. Without implicit faith in the order of the spiritual master and the words of the scriptures, in the Supreme Personality of Godhead, the purport of the Vedas is not revealed. And by such implicit faith, all the secrets of the Vedas are revealed. So Srila Prabhupada, he had such implicit faith, so everything was revealed. Before stepping off the ship, he said everything. How these people are situated and how they'll be delivered.